Two absolute animals. Oh my goodness, the time has arrived.
Man, I got goosebumps just thinking about this.
Our featured matchup tonight for the light heavyweight title. It will be undisputed when we're done this evening. Champion against champion. Tail of the tape brought to you by
Zion's Extreme Catnip.
Joe, your keys to victory.
They both have very similar styles. They're both excellent wrestlers who are also very good at striking.
Oh my goodness, is this ever going to be good? Undisputed. Big John McCarthy, who else? Our referee.
All right, for the undisputed light heavyweight championship. Are you ready? Let's get it on!
Let's get it on, baby! We've been waiting all night. We've been waiting for months. Wow, are both of these guys exhausting some energy here quickly?
They both want to get the other one on their back.
You're absolutely right.
The real question is who operates better from their back. When he was shadow boxing, his combinations were lightning fast. And his leg kicks. Working out with noted Muay Thai trainer Colin Oyama. I'm sure even though he hasn't fought in a while, he's been training like an animal. He takes his title of UFC champion very, very seriously. Even though the guy hasn't been fighting for a while, he's
that's the big takedown!
He got his back! He's got the choke in!
Can he finish quickly?
He's got to get his second hook in! He's got to get his right leg over and hook in. Nope, he rolled it out.
Se pierde el papel, no lo va a soltar, cuidado, lo tiene del cuello, a Tito Ortiz, está en problemas Tito,
está arriba,
más vale que se levante.
Another takedown immediately, and they are on their feet here at the Mandalay Bay Event Center. With cat-like speed, drove in, got the double leg, and drives into the mat again.
Randy stands up.
Very much like the Rico
nice
Rodriguez
turnaround!
fight. But we didn't see that type of turnaround in that fight.
Look at him here. He's on his back getting pounded against the fence. He's taking some punches here. Unbelievable.
Persistence and dominance.
What an inspirational athlete. Going to be in some serious trouble here. He's very tired.
Especially against the fence, Joe.
And he's taking those short, hard elbows to the face. Mount!
Full mount.
Randy's got the mount.
Here we go. Passes with one leg. He's in the half now.
And he's almost past his guard. He's past the guard. Nope.
Final 5 seconds. It's all over.
Unbelievable.
It's the undisputed light heavyweight champion of the world.
That guy is my hero.